Hey guys, so I'm unboxing a new Galaxy Z Fold 3. Check it out. Okay guys, so this is the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. Nice beautiful box with the capital Z. Very nice. The back side. Okay, so this is the 256. Let's get it open and show you exactly what comes in it. Okay, so you get it opened. Your little Samsung, and this have your cable and a quick start. Okay, USB-C to USB-C, and that is it. So this is the phone itself. Get it open. Okay, so you have the tablet side, close it, and you have your regular screen. The only thing I see that the screen is pretty narrow. Power buttons here, volume, your SIM card, your cameras. Top you have your mics, speakers, have a nice little Samsung logo there. Bottom side you have another speaker, mic, and your charging port. This is the cool thing about it. It opens up. I've been playing with it so you can see a little fingerprints just to make sure everything's good. So when you turn it on, you can see that you have your whole Samsung logo. Close it up, you have your Samsung. You see that it's a little narrow but nice size. Got your camera here, and in the inside you have a camera here. Outside you have your 3 cameras there. Okay, so let's let it turn on. Okay, so it's on. You can see, like I said, it's a bit narrow. You know, if you compare it to another one, this is Note 20, so it's way narrow. Okay, but everything works pretty good. You can see that it's real narrow. The thing that I didn't like too much was the keyboard section is very small. Okay, so now once you open it up, you have your full screen, just like a tablet. Get it open, everything's smooth. You do have this crease right here, but it seemed not to be bothering. Overall, in a couple weeks I will do another video telling you how much I like it or if I don't like it. So far it's nice. The only thing, the keyboard is a little off, but otherwise everything else is pretty good. Another thing that's a little weird, the keyboard on the full screen, you have it on both sides. But I'm going to use it for a couple days, check it out, see if I really like it, and I'll let you guys know. So far, awesome phone.